Meaning of immorally.
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 Immorally. The word immorally refers to actions or behaviors that are not aligned with accepted moral principles or standards. These can vary across cultures, religions, and societies, but generally involve violating basic principles of ethics, such as honesty, respect, and responsibility. Examples of immoral behavior can include lying, cheating, stealing, or engaging in activities that harm others physically or emotionally. Such actions can have serious consequences, both for the individuals involved and for society as a whole. Immoral behavior can lead to loss of trust, damage to reputation, legal punishment, social stigma, and personal guilt and regret.